Welcome back to the ground control station, Black Ops Technology. Hey, let me get a thumbs up from you guys. If you're a newcomer, please hit that subscribe button. There's always more content to come. Now, today what we have on the bench is a President Lincoln 2 Plus, brand new in the box. But the thing is, whose radio this is a newcomer and a very young guy at that. 22 years old, Mr. Jack Ramberg. Please, everybody, give him a big warm welcome. He's an avid watcher of my channel. Okay, so he's gonna be in and out of here conversing and all that stuff, just like some of you diehard ground control fans out there, man. But anyways, 22 years old, fresh, young, and we all know when we dive into CB radio, there's not a whole lot of info out there, okay? So, when I talked to Mr. Ramberg, I made sure that he knows not just to jump on every piece of advice or information that he hears. He's gonna have to get good at sifting through the bullshit, okay? And I kept that in layman's terms over the phone. I'm a real down-to-earth guy, man. So when we do get on the phone, hey, other than conversating about the radios, we're gonna shoot the shit just a little bit too, okay? Unless the customer is in a hurry or whatnot. But Jack, since you're new to the community, you're new to the hobby, okay? And you're a first-time customer, I'm gonna bless you with some rack handles for your president. Free of charge, brother. They're coming back to you with your radio. If you don't know what I mean, where is my president? Here it is. This is my president. Okay? See the rack handles on the side? Got some lint there on the side of the rack handle. Oh, it's all good though. But yeah, this is my president right here. Nice little Abe sticker on there and 10 American flag decal. But yeah, man, these rack handles are coming to you, dude. So, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get this thing unboxed and we're gonna see what it's doing on the test equipment before we do the conversion, all right? Hold on to something. All right, Jack, we got her hooked up, man. And it's gonna be a few different things here, man. This is gonna be your channel button, okay? All right? That's your channel button. This is gonna be your VFO. See? You click on it to change digits. See what I mean? I don't recommend using the VFO because it can confuse people at times. These things are set up like ham radios, man. So already you have a built-in VFO knob. And if you come into menu and hold down, come on now. There we go. Let me find it real quick. Your clarifier, okay, clarifier setting, it's for receive and transmit, okay? It doesn't come like that from a factory. It'll be just for receive. So now on sideband, you'll be able to tune this thing for receive and transmit with your VFO, okay? Or you know, you can fine tune with your clarifier as well. So just remember that this is your channel button, okay? This radio is a lot different than probably what you've had before. All right, buddy. We are on AM and we're dead on 28 megs. Okay, the conversion has not been done yet, but we're going to key up and see what we got. Mic gain is actually all the way open. Let's turn that down. Okay. 28 megs. You're dead nuts on, brother. All right. 0 reflect with a 3.5 watt dead key. I know you want a 2.5 watt dead key, and we're going to square that away. 2 division carrier on the O-scope. 100 watt slug. 50 watt slug. 25 watt slug. We're going to put this in reverse. This will be reflected power. Nothing. Barely even moving. Okay. Same here. For everybody who says these MFJ digital peak reading meters are inaccurate. Reflect is 0. All right. This thing is, yeah. It's working, man. No doubt about it. Now, let's put the RF power all the way up. This is your RF power. Okay. Let's see what the dead keys. Takes a little second for this microprocess controlled meter to, get the sensing. Okay, but you got 14.1 watts on the high side of the radio. With, I guess, 3/4 of a watt of reflect, which is basically normal. All right, your carrier did change. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come back, put the RF power all the way down. Our mic gain is gonna be all the way up. Okay. Let's sit you down here. Let's see what we got going on. 2 division carrier. Audio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right, with mic gain all the way up, RF power all the way down, you got an average swing of about 10.5 watts, and reflect went down while that was modulated. Okay, the roll-offs are fine. Carrier's not pinched. I mean, it's stock. I'm not sure about these little intermittent spikes here, but sometimes these presidents, man, they do that, man. And I see these on the O-scope. A lot of times it can be corrected, of course. So if I have to do so, then, which obviously I will, we're gonna clean this up, man. Okay. So, mic gain all the way up, RF power all the way down. Audio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 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 Audio. Okay, she's a little tight, man. She's got that limiter in her. The ALC is probably tight. Okay, it's keeping that swing from doing what it really should be doing. Audio. Oh, there we go. We got 55 there, but that was tight. Audio. Audio check. Audio check. And then the ALC starts cutting in. Audio check. And it keeps you around almost 25 watts. Okay? All right, so let's come over here and mode. We'll go to lower sideband at 28 megs, okay? And then we'll shoot a two-tone up in there real quick. All right, now this is gonna be your sideband power, okay? True to the tone. See how tight that is? All right. Now let's modulate with vocals. Audio check, audio check, audio check, audio check. We'll check this analog peak reading meter, 50-watt scale. Audio, audio, audio. All right, you hear my relays clicking on for sideband, on and off. Audio, audio. Yeah. And that was on peak. Yeah, these things come squared away, man, from the factory. They're tight, they are. But I tell you what, if you keep them, if you can advance the tune just a little bit and keep them clean and tight, man, they work really nice behind an amplifier, man. You know, it really does, man. Straight 4-pill HD, fucking 42879s, man. This thing will drive that thing, man. You know, they're really good radios. Okay, without further ratchet on and chewing the fat, let's get this thing converted for 27 megahertz. Hold on to something. And we're back. Now, we're going to talk a little bit about the conversion, even though I do have a video on that, okay? There's actually 2 steps to the conversion, okay? One is actually physically soldering a component, and the second step is actually going to the settings menu and finding CB PW CB password, okay? And we'll get to all that. But this is the most important thing, and this is going to be you do it yourself guys that come across this video, okay? Let me get my handy dandy poker. Now, right here, see this empty space? And it's diagrammed out and it looks like a resistor. That is a part of your CB conversion method right there, okay? You need a 1K resistor. Ground control uses a 2-watt 1K resistor. Nice little focus on that bad boy. All right. Now, you don't have to use 2 watts. You can use 1 watt. I wouldn't go any lower than that because I don't know how much heat that little circuit actually, you know, produces. So, if you can put a metal, upgraded metal, you know, 1 watt resistor in line, then great. I wouldn't put ceramic or shucks, carbon, whatever. All right, so your hose here for when you solder in your resistor, you're gonna have both of these legs. Sticking out, okay? Keep them long, solder them on, snip the access, okay? But most important thing is when President puts these radios together. Oh man, this thing is gorgeous. I swear they just get better and better. Sometimes, my bad guys, sometimes I just, what a gorgeous radio, man. Great design, just like the 955. It just totally impresses me. Anyway, sorry. What happens is when they put these radios together, okay, they spray a clear coat on it. All right, so your clear coat is going to be all, and this is another reason why this thing's so shiny. There's a clear coat on it, but this comes to a problem when you want to solder, okay? That clear coat is on these pads. So what you want to do is get yourself something to scrape these copper pads right here, okay? Scrape the copper pads, all right? Or it won't be able to solder, okay? You will not be able to solder that resistor in, okay? But yes, you need to scrape these pads, get that clear coat, excuse me, man, it's a fucking tongue twister. Get that clear coat off of those pads, then solder in your resistor, okay? All right, hold on to something, we'll be back. And we're back. All right, guys. No chicken poop solder job, okay? This is what it should look like when you're done. Both legs of the resistors soldered in and cut, all right? That is what the resistor looks like installed. That's old school. When you install the resistor stand up like that, like the old school 148s, and yeah, it's old school, okay? Now, let me see if I can sit this down. Now, our resistor is installed, okay? So what we want to do, the second method for conversion, hold down menu, take channel button, and find CBPW. There it is. Take the variable frequency oscillator, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It'll reset. Okay, now you see 26965. Okay, band A. Channel 19, 27185. Channel 20, 27205. That is your CB conversion. Band A is where your 11 meter band, CB band, is allocated. Band A, okay? Actually, let's get that thing off of sideband. Okay, so we're on AM. Channel 20, CB band. It's that simple, guys. All right. You might know what I'm about to say. Since we got some things cleared out the way, let's get down to business. And we're back. All right, man. Very good radio. Conversion. None of your trap coils are spread except this one right here. Put that as factory. All right, let me get my handy dandy poker. Right there. All right, that's absolutely factory. Pre-driver, 2 finals, they're good to go. They're straight, plenty of compound. Your voltage regulator, straight, plenty of compound. Go down the line. Everything's got plenty of compound, man. All right, brand new radio. Not much to do to it other than advance tune, man, and loosen her up just a little bit. But also keeping the harmonics clean on that oscope. No doubt about it, man. All right, let's get the cases back on and get her on the test bench, and we'll show her what she's doing. Let's get down to business. All right, Jack, we're back, brother. This thing is so squared away. What a great radio you have coming to you, man. And yet again, one more time, welcome to the community, man. Have fun. Now, I did tell you though, upgrade your coax and your antenna. Get that squared away as soon as possible. You don't want nothing inhibiting the performance of this radio. All right. And we did have some talk time about that, which was good. And I know you're getting things squared away, but it is going to be a must. Okay. I know some guys, they got an ICOM, whatever, $1,100, $1,200 radio, and they're trying to, perpetrate a signal out of a $40 antenna. Man, not cool, man. If you're going to spend that much on a radio, make sure you spend good, hard-earned money on quality coax and antenna, okay? And take the time to get the SWR straight. All right, now on my test bench, as in 50 ohm radio coax, I recommend LMR 240, okay? That's all I use, okay? LMR 240 by Times Microwave, not by anybody else, okay? Not that knockoff BS, okay? The time and velocity factor of this coax is awesome, okay? It is also a low loss coax, all right? And it's double shielded, okay? Now, what I run on my radio station is the high dollar hardline, big stuff, okay? Andrew Heliax FSJ1. It's got a solid copper shield, okay? And a solid center conductor, All right, this is 1/4 inch hardline. Look at that. It's hardline, man. High dollar stuff, big dog stuff. But anyways, mic gain all the way down, RF power all the way down. 2.5 watt. 2.5 watt dead key, 0 reflect. 27205. BK precision frequency counter, 27205. 2-division carrier. We'll come back over here. Put the mic gain all the way up. Audio check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Black Ops technology. Audio check. That advanced tune-up. Audio check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, man. So you had a max peak there, about 55 watts. Average swing, around 28 to 30 watts, you know, and a dead key of 2.5 watts, which you wanted on the low side. So if you run your amplifier, make sure your variable stays on the low side, brother. Okay. That's with the low drive amplifier. Now, if you get into high drive amplifiers, which you'll eventually climb up to, you know, like I say, you're brand new to it, so I don't want to complicate things. A high drive amplifier, considering dead key, can take 4 to 6 watts, all right? I dead key my high drive RM and Elite KL703 with a 4 watt dead key, okay? It's got 16 RM3 MOSFETs in it, all right? Completely different beast than dealing with like Toshiba pills or HG or stuff like that, okay? These are field effect transistors, FETs. But yeah, let's get down to business. This thing is stroking. 107, negative 117 dB down with the receive. So make sure you, like I say, upgrade that coax and antenna so we don't inhibit any performance with this radio, okay? 1 kilohertz tone coming up. The bottom scale is your secondary harmonics, nice and tight. Your positive and negative peaks are gorgeous. Roll-offs are just fine. Carrier is not pinched whatsoever. All right, let's bring it over here. Switch to sideband. All right, RF power all the way down. Mic gain all the way up. 2-tone coming up. Beautiful. That's your sideband modulation right there. Okay, 55 watts peak. She's stroking on sideband. All right, now we're gonna take it back to AM. We're gonna turn your RF power all the way up. $13.5 watt dead key. 3/4 of a watt of reflect. So basically all of your power is going out, no matter where you have your RF power at, okay? Audio check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Black Ops technology, no doubt about it. Audio check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Audio. Audio check 1 2 3 4 5. 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 Yeah, buddy, this thing is stroking. Hey, Jack, give me one more second. The next clip, we're going to do your talkback settings and your echo settings real quick. And then we're going to do a demonstration with the audio with the talkback on. All right? Hold on to something. All right, Jack, monitor. All right? Monitor. That is what your talkback is. All right? I think it goes all the way up to 30 or 35. Off 32. Okay, I usually run it about 7 or 8. Let's see if we can get a good audio demonstration with that. Audio check 1 2 3 4 5. Audio. All right, give me 1 second. Audio check 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check 1 2 3 4 5. Really? Can it really go up louder? Wow. All right, let's try it a little bit louder, Jack. Let's try it at 21. Screw it. Audio check 1 2 3 4 5. Ground control. Audio check 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check 1 2 3 4 5. Black Ops Technology. Audio check 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check 1 2 3 4 5. All right, I did put a Ferrite around your speaker cables, so we definitely have some impedance there. Maybe that's why we can turn it up a little bit more. Let's try 25 for talkback volume. Audio check 1 2 3 4 5. Black Ops Technology. Audio check 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check 1 2 3 4 5. President Lincoln 2 Plus with a SRA 198 microphone. No doubt about it. Audio check 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check 1 2 3 4 5. Jack, this thing is stroking. It's getting back to you. I'm done. Another one bites the dust, brother. And I mean that in such a positive manner, man. That President Lincoln 2 Plus. No doubt about it. She is stroking and she is rocking. Now, remember what I told you, Jack. Once you become a customer, you have a straight, direct line to my phone. So call or text if you need any help. The manual only assist you so much. So if anything's confusing, drop me a text or give me a double L. That means landline, brother. 73s and join the hobby. Ground control 204 and we're gone. Gone.